My narcissistic abuser always wanted more. Nothing was ever enough for him. He wanted more money, more status, more wealth, more from me, more support, more acts of service. Nothing was ever enough. He didn't see himself as successful. And I once asked him how he could possibly not see himself as successful when he owned a home, he owned cars, he had a family, he had a business. I once said to him, well, what is your definition of success? What would success actually look like for you? The only way he would view himself as successful was if he had more wealth than his rich father. The truth is, it all makes sense now. How do narcissists even see success? External validation, material possessions, status and power, unrealistic goals, attention and admiration from people that they admire, and comparisons with others. And this one is really in line with my abuser. He didn't just need to be better than the people around him. He needed to be better than his father. Narcissists have an insatiable need for attention, validation, and admiration. This drives them to just constantly seek more. They have a deep fear of feeling insignificant and unworthy. And this is at the root of their unquenchable thirst for success. If they have to lie or exploit others to achieve their perceived success, so be it. A narcissist will constantly be seeking more. No matter how successful they might be perceived by others, it's not enough for them. A true narcissist is never going to change. You will constantly give and try and put an effort in. It will never be reciprocated, and it will never be enough. This is why I stress the importance of exiting these toxic, abusive, manipulative, exploitative relationships. Learn how to accept the narcissist for exactly who they are. This is one of the keys to leaving these relationships.
Stronger.